No matter how the situation is or how bad the situation is, we should never jeopardize a child's safety and health, ever.
Over the last few years, Utah has increased the number of kids allowed in unlicensed daycares, becoming one of the least restrictive states and leaving some parents and child advocates concerned about safety.
They want to know that the people watching their kids are safe people.
I'm Fox 13 investigative reporter Taylor Stevens. To address these safety concerns, the legislature decided last year to require even unlicensed child care providers to obtain a background check. But in the year since that requirement went into place, we've learned that only a handful of providers have actually done it.
We spent a lot of time. We talked to other parents, we talked to people in the community, we did our research, we went inside and looked at places.
When Annie Davis and her husband Jan were choosing a daycare, one of their many considerations was whether the center was state licensed.
My standpoint is if the facility is licensed, that means they are, better able to run this like a business. They have state regulations, they have people that come in and do inspections.
A recent state report shows the Davis family isn't alone, with focus groups finding broad-based concern about the safety of kids in unlicensed care. But Utah lawmakers have been going another direction. Over the last few years, the state legislature has increased the number of kids allowed in unlicensed care from 4 up to 8. It can be as many as 10 if some of the kids are related to the provider. Their hope? That deregulation would help ease the state's child care crisis.
Parents get to choose where they leave their children, and actually the more we increase the capacity, the more choices they will have.
There's sparse child care right now in the state of Utah, that this seems like it's a good avenue, a good opportunity to help lessen the strain, lessen the stress within our state.
Following these changes, Utah now allows more kids in unlicensed care than almost any other state. Only South Dakota allows more at 12.
We've just pushed ourselves way out to the edges, to the fringe, I would say, on how many kids.
But advocates like Anna Thomas with Voices for Utah Children worry the new law creates more risk, and that some parents aren't fully aware that centers can now care for up to 10 kids without much oversight from the state.
People do sort of assume that if a person has turned their home into a child care and they've got little chairs and little snacks and all these things, surely they must be licensed.
Parents don't always know.
Kim Rice is a former daycare provider who most recently worked as a child care regulator with the state of Utah. In that job, she inspected licensed centers for things like accessible firearms, hazardous chemicals, and unsafe playground equipment.
The complete opposite is an unlicensed provider where they don't have any rules or regulations to follow. There's nobody checking on them even once a year.
Amid concerns about safety, the legislature passed a bill last year requiring even unlicensed providers to get a background check. But the state says only 74 people at 34 in-home daycares have actually done it. A drop in the bucket when compared to the potentially 1,500 or more unlicensed centers that could be operating in the state.
The onus of complying with this initially is really on the provider.
Shannon Toman Black is the director of the state's licensing division. She says the state has been trying to get the word out to unlicensed providers caring for more than 4 kids.
As more and more people become aware of the statute, we have had increasing numbers of providers reaching out to see what they needed to do to get background checked.
But while the state does have authority over licensed providers, it has little ability to enforce these requirements for unlicensed ones. And even if someone does complete a background check, what if somebody failed their background check, if they're an unlicensed provider?
So we give those results of the background check to the provider, and then as a private business owner, it's really up to them to decide what their next steps are.
I'm just kind of sitting here wondering, what was the point of making them do that?
I think that policymakers are very engaged on this very specific topic you brought up, and I think that's really, they could have a good conversation with you on that.
Earlier this year, State Senator Luz Escamilla proposed a bill to create new requirements for unlicensed daycare centers with more than 5 kids, and to increase the enforceability of the background check requirement.
You register so we know who you are. Criminal background checks if you're going to be interacting with children, and adults are there interacting with kiddos. And you have the basic CPR and first aid training.
But the bill ultimately died in the House without a debate. So for now, she worries
Those parents that are desperate because they have to go to work so they are not experiencing homelessness and they can pay their rent and food, they probably do not know that they're leaving their child in a place that is not even registered. And we should educate the public that that's the case.
While reporting this story, we reached out to former State Representative Susan Pulsifer, who ran many of the recent bills related to child care. She declined an interview, saying she's no longer a member of the legislature. But asked specifically about background checks for unlicensed daycare providers, she said, "I believe that all laws should be obeyed, including this one." At the state capitol, Taylor Stevens, Fox 13 News, Utah.